We're back with another exciting update from Vanderbilt's FirstBank Stadium, and this time, all eyes are on the south end zone. Over the past few months, this section has undergone a remarkable transformation, and the progress is truly impressive. From the field level, you can see the new seating bowl taking shape, offering fans an upgraded view of the action. Rows of sleek black seats are now in place, giving a preview of the modern, cohesive look that will define the stadium's refreshed atmosphere. Above the seating, the brand new premium suites and press facilities are nearing completion, with glass panels installed and interior work well underway. One of the standout features is the dramatic, angular architecture of the exterior facade. The bold black cladding and expansive glass walls create a striking, contemporary profile that perfectly matches Vanderbilt's vision for a first-class game day experience. Inside, the concourse areas are beginning to come together, with improved accessibility and enhanced fan amenities on the way. Construction crews continue to work on finishing touches, from railings and lighting to scoreboard installations, ensuring every detail is ready for the next chapter of Commodores football. When complete, the south end zone will not only enhance the look of FirstBank Stadium, but also elevate the overall fan experience, blending tradition with modern design. The transformation is well on track, and excitement is building as Vanderbilt moves closer to unveiling this major upgrade. Stay tuned, because the next time we check in, the south end zone might be game ready.